The term for hydroponics is derived from two Greek words, hydros meaning water and ponos meaning work. Hydroponics is the science of growing plants in water without the use of soil. The system that I will be building today is a miniature hydroponic system using a plastic bottle. It is a great way to introduce hydroponics or aquaponics in the classroom because students can learn the major components of water-based plant cultivation. The materials you will need for this project are cotton twine, pea gravel or any media you can get, water, seeds, I will be using black beans, and a 2 to 3 liter bottle. The beauty is that all of these things can be found at the dollar store. We are sticking to our budget theme. For tools, you'll need scissors, drills and drill bits, a permanent marker, and a ruler or measuring tape. This bottle hydroponic system is made up of 3 very straightforward components. The top will serve as the grow bed. This is where the beans will be planted and grown. Once the bean has sprouted, we should be able to see the roots anchoring itself throughout the media. The bottom of the bottle will become a water reservoir. This is where the water will be held to provide water to the plant. This basin allows for the system to be self-watering. From time to time, you will need to add water to replenish the supply, like precipitation in nature. You could relate this part of the system to a natural aquifer. Finally, the twine will serve as the water delivery system between the grow bed and water basin. In a large-scale hydroponic system, this would usually be done with a pump. However, here the wick acts as the pump by a phenomenon known as capillary force or capillary action. Capillary force is when water draws up something porous against the force of gravity. Make sure that you have all of your materials as well as measurements before you do anything. Step 1. You need to clean out the bottle that you will be using for the hydroponic system. I have found a great size soda bottle from the dollar store. This is also a great way to incorporate recycling into the lesson. Step 2. Measure the length of the bottle. This bottle is 13 inches long. Step 3. Now is where you'll need to do a little bit of math. Find the halfway point, draw a line, marking where you are to cut the bottle. Step 4. Cut the bottle while being careful to not cut yourself. Step 5. Now drill a hole into the center of the bottle cap. This will be where you'll thread the wick. Step 6. Cut one piece of twine twice the length of the original measurement, which in this case is 26 inches. Fold it in half and knot the twine to keep it from slipping through the hole. Step 7. While holding the twine in place, add media to the grow bed so that it is not bunched up completely at the bottom of the grow bed. Step 8. Plant your seeds and plant according to the packet instructions. If you are not planting seeds from a packet, like what I'm doing here, you can research planting depth for your particular seed. Step 9. Place grow bed on 2 empty water basin. Step 10. Pour room temperature water into the grow bed until it has reached a proper level in the water basin. You do not want the grow bed to sit in the water. Allow for an inch of space between the grow bed and the water line. If the grow bed is sitting in the water, the seed will mold over before sprouting. You have now completed your first budget hydroponic system. Date and label what you have planted and keep track of the growth. Once the seeds have sprouted, I will be using water from my classroom aquaponics system to help provide the plant with organic nutrients and promote healthy growth.